Good morning, everyone. So today we're looking at the next lesson, which is doubling and halving. Now you've got beat the clock, doubling bigger numbers, doubling money, doubling questions, doubling money questions, halving bigger numbers, halving money, halving questions, and doubling multiple times. Now, beat the clock, you've got to double and half, 6 add 6. So it's just testing your doubling skills, okay, and halving skills. Double 6, 12. Twice 8, so same as saying double 8. And you've got to get as much as you can. Remember, 2 minutes and your score stays at the top. How do you double large numbers? So, how might we double 48? Doubling is the same as multiplying by 2. First, split the number into tens and ones. So we've partitioned it to 40 and 8. Then double the tens and double the ones. 40 becomes 80, 8 becomes 16, add up the doubles to get the final answer, which is 96. So that's what we've done. How about doubling money? First, split the number into hundreds, tens, and ones. So your pounds, tens, and pence. So we've got £7, 60 pence, and 3 pence. Then you double them. So we've got £7 become £14. 60 pence becomes 120 pence, or £1.20, and you've got 3 pence, which becomes 6 pence, and then you add them up. So it's £15.26. 2 times 44. So partition it into 40 and 4. So 40 times 2 is 80, 4 times 2 is 8, and 88. 47 times 2, again we're going to partition it into 40 and 7. Here we know 40 is 80, 7 is 14, here you've got 94. Next one, 2 times 92. So you're going to partition it, we've got 90 here, 2 here, double 90 is 180, and then we've got a 4, so it's 184, 78. So let's partition that into 70 and 8. Double 70 is 140, double 8 is 16. Together, it's 156. I'm going to leave it at that. Next one. Now you're doubling money questions, okay? So those two are just 3-digit numbers. Here you've got money. So money, you've got £2. Then you've got 80 pence, and then you've got 9 pence, okay? So double £2 is £4, double 80 pence is £1.60, double 9 pence is 18 pence. So to add them together, I've got £4 and £1.60 is £5.60, add 18 pence is £5.78. The way you would write it is like this, okay? Remember, if it's easier, partition it on paper and write it out, and then do your calculations as column if that's what you're confident in to help you get the right answer. How to halve numbers now. So now I'm talking about halving numbers. 23, halving is the same as dividing by 2. First, split the number into tens and ones. Then halve the tens and halve the ones. Here, we can halve the tens, we can get 10. But when we halve 3, we get 1.5, so that's your decimal. So here, 23, because it's an odd number, when you divide it by 2, you will get a decimal as your answer. And the answer is 11.5. £5.72. £5 divided by 2 is £2.50. 70p divided by 2 is 35 pence. And 2p divided by 2 is 1 pence. And then you combine your totals together. £2.86. Now here you've got some question to solve. So if I've got 75 pence, I want to divide it by 2. 70 divided by 2 is 35. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So it's 37.5. You could do it mentally, you could do it on paper, or you could do it on the screen that's helping you. We've got this partitioning grid here, okay? 33 divided by 2, we've got half of £4.26. So let's break that one down. We've got £4, 20, and then 6. £6.13. You got £6.64. This calculation here, £5.96 with the line and then 2, that means £5.96 divided by 2, okay? So it's written slightly different in a different format, but all of them mean you're dividing by 2, so you're halving them. Can we work out 15 times 4? Break the 4 down to 2 times 2. So instead of multiplying by 4, we're doubling twice. So we can work out 15 times 2 times 2. In other words, take the 15, double it, and double it again. So 15 doubled would be 30, double again, 60. Twelve times 8. Break it down. So you're doubling it 3 times. So you get to 96. So you do 12 times 2. Then your answer is 24 times 2, which is 48 times 2, which is 96. Now, doubling or halving seems straightforward, but it gets a bit complicated when you've got numbers and your answers are getting into decimals. So make sure you're reading each question carefully, write them down, make sure you've got each number partitioned clearly, and then you're adding them up. Make sure you have a proper go at doing this. When you're writing them out, write them clearly, have each step labelled so you know what you're doing and it's easier for you to follow that format. Wish you all the best and take care, guys.